My dear friend, you are most welcome. My both channels, that is Vijay Destination and Vijay Kumar, a writer. Now these both channel I have turned into an English channel because uh, I forward my channel to many Facebook accounts which are running by the Hindus in Hindi, but they could not even subscribe my channel. So I am fed up of such type of my followers which are only seeing the videos but are not do not subscribe my channel or do not forward my channel of their WhatsApp group. So today part is the terrorism. Those my friend, I am a writer, an English writer. My books are the written by me are the invaders and hidden facts on Rudra publication, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Discriminated Hindus by Vijay Kumar on the Saswat publication, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Blender of Blasphemy publicated on the publication is the Sita publication, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. All these books are the panorama of the Goonism, the bloodshed history of the Islam. Today we see that a bomb blast was happened in Delhi, opposite side of the Red Fort. Near the Lakshmi Narayan Mandir or Jain temple, I never seen that temple, but according to the some channel, if they are correct, the explosion was just in front of the Red Fort. The some people, just like the Abu Azmi, is stating that when the Muslims are being tortured by the government, definitely he will be a terrorist. This is not correct. A Muslim is by birth a terrorist because if he offers the five time of Nawaz in a day, Asar, Zuhar, Maghrib, Fajr, Isha, then he is a certified terrorist because the Prophet also was a certified rapist, killer, robber, and the pedophile and the mentally disturbed person. So the Islamic ideology is a totally a Goonism, and Islam is based on the stupidity that inhibits in the Quran. So many verses of the Quran is the reflection or the mirror of the stupidity in the fallacy of fake Allah which was created by so-called Muhammad bin Abdullah, the so-called prophet of the Islam. So some people are saying that this is the terrorism. My dear friend, you must know there is no need to separate the terrorism with Islam because Islam itself is terrorism. If you do not read or could not read the Quran or the Hadith, which is the panorama, which is the window of the Islamic Goonism in the name of the faking fallacy of the Allah. Allah is nothing but is the creation of the Muhammad by which the Muhammad could do the full Goonism, the rape with the non-Muslim woman, and the robbery is the prime aspect of the Islam. Terrorism had many salient features, and all these features are inhibits in the Islam. Islam is a certified terrorism. The Muslims are playing the victim cards on the name of the victimization of the government of India. This is not correct. Every Muslim who is born in Islam or the Islamic family and is following the real Islam, he is certified goon, he is certified robber, he is certified killer, he is a certified terrorist. And all the madrasas are the fostering mother of the terrorism. Even you see, Aligarh Muslim University is also the fostering mother of the terrorism. Saudi Arabia and all Islamic country are the fostering mother of the terrorism, because it's Islam itself a terrorism. You cannot division between the terrorism and the Islamic ideology. Both are the same. The base of Islam is only the hate spreading. The salient feature of this terrorism is that ideology who does not respect to other cult or other path or other ideas, even though they are much superior than the Islam. But according to the Islamic goons, the Islam is always superior to than good people who are playing a massive role or vital role in favor of the human civilization, human developing index, or human health criteria. But Islam has no value. Islam has no value for these vital aspect of our lives. Islam has only a toolkit of the robbery of the non-Muslim wealth, fulfill the lust of the Muslims with the rape of the non-Muslim women. This all robbery, this all killing in Islam is certified as a malik ganimat. So those people are saying that there is no religion of the religion of the terrorism is totally wrong. Either they are foolish or they are befooling you. Because Islam itself clarified that we are the superior goons against the non-Muslims, against the human civilizations, against the education, against the upliftment of the peoples of the world. Even the many countries, including the United States of America, are playing with the hand of the Islamic goons for their vested interests. As you have seen in Afghanistan, the Talibans are the same, were the same and will be the same. They are the certified Islamic goons. They will do accordingly as so-called Prophet Muhammad of the Islam did. He committed so many heinous crimes against the human values, against the women. He killed so many Jews and the Christians, and he propagated a violent ideology, or the rather a terrorism, in the name of this stupidity of the Islam. Which is the Islam? Islam is the stupidity, and the Islam has all salient feature as inhibits in the terrorism. The terrorism has the first salient feature to make the money, capture the woman, conquer the land of the non-Muslims. So Islam is totally a terrorism against the non-Muslim. There is no need to do distinguish or to difference between the terrorism and Islam. If a Muslim who follow the Islam offer the 5-time prayer, he is certified goon. Because in Islam, he always criticizes the non-Muslims in the name of the offer. Because Allah is superior to all the society. And this Allah is the head of the robbers, killers, and the rapists. And Allah allows the rape to any Muslim, to the non-Muslim woman. Because now Islam has been exposed by us and our brethren, the ex-Muslims, and all the people who read the Quran and its violent ideology, they are exposing the Islam. This is the frustration that the every minute or every time interval, Prophet Muhammad is being declared as a goon or as a supermost dawn of the society. Society, because Islam itself a goonism against the non-Muslim, and the stupidity of the Islam, we can see that there is no name or mentioned the Quran, the Allah, and the Muhammad in any book of any religion or cult. But the Islam proclaimed that the Quran and the name of the Muhammad and the Allah was eliminated or abrogated by the Jews and the Christian from their books. There is no evidence that there was any Allah, any Quran, and any Muhammad were described in the book of the Torah and the Jewish descriptions or Jewish inscriptions or in any cult. Even though when Muhammad was alive, there was no evidence of the Hinduism or Sanatana Vedic culture in Arabic Peninsula. But after death of the Prophet Muhammad, many Islamic goons or the invaders who were the certified rapists came to India, and they can rape with the Hindu women, as the Ahmad Shah Abdali is the icon of the Afghanistan, Baba-e-Qaum of the Afghanistan, father of the nation. Nadir Shah is also the icon of the Uzbekistan. Nadir Shah for Iran, not Nadir Shah, but many other. Nadir Shah, Tamur Lang, yes. So why the icons of the Islam are the certified robbers, the rapists and killers? Because Islam is the den of the certified rapist, killers and the robbers. A Muslim who is born Muslim and follow the Islam, he is certified rapist, killer or the robber. But in India, they cannot do this. But in the inscription or the description, Islam allows the rape, allows the killing of the non-Muslims. And the stupidity of the Islam is that the fake Allah does not know how the creation of the world was prepared or was fulfilled. The Quranic Allah is stated in the Quran that earth is not moving but static and the sun moving around the earth. So this is the level of the stupidity of the Islam. Islam is a perfect terrorism. Islam is a perfect goonism. Islam is a perfect group of the terrorists. And the all salient feature of the terrorism is resemble to Islam. Means 100% terrorism is 100% Islam. Or either Islam is a 100% terrorist activities or the terrorism. Or the 100% terrorist is a perfect Muslim. Who is the perfect Muslim? Who is the certified terrorist? Who follows the exactly Islam? What is this? That is being followed by these Talibans. And these follows who blast in the Red Fort and in Delhi. They are the certainly Islamic goons. They are the true Muslims who are engaged in the terrorism, who are the killings, rape, loot, everywhere bloodshed due to this Islamic ideology which was created or launched by so-called Prophet Muhammad. So teaching of the Prophet Muhammad is itself a terrorism. And the fostering mother of the terrorism is Islam. And the fostering father of the terrorism is Prophet Muhammad, so-called Muhammad bin Abdullah. But some stupid people, just like the Rajkumar Bhatti, The spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party also praises the Muhammad. Such type of stupid and the foolish people do not know who was the Muhammad and what did he or his heinous crime details. We are we are telling you in many videos. So you think there is nothing difference between Islam and the terrorism. Both are the same. Both are the mingled with each other. You cannot separate the water from the milk, because milk or fat soluble in the water. So if you cannot separate the water from milk, you cannot separate Islam from the Muslims. Muslims are the blood of the Islamic bodies which are preparing the war against the non-Muslims. So we must take stern action against these Islamic goons which are so frustrated, and they are so shameless person. They are following the such type of the person who is a certified killer, rapist, pedophile, and the robber. His life, that is the Muhammad life, was full of the bloodshed, rapes, and he fulfilled his lust from the young woman. He was the very, 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 uh, very a demon who rapes so many women of the Jews and Christians in the name of the so-called Allah, which is a totally falsify Allah. So Islam is not the synonymous of the terrorism, but the terrorism is the synonymous of Islam. If you say that there are some terrorists, means certainly they are Muslims. Because in Islam, it is inhibits the terrorism. In so many verses of Quran, it stated that we are the foolproof terrorist. Quranic verses stated that Muhammad was a foolproof terrorist, rapist, and the killer. The teaching of the Prophet, so-called Muhammad, or the Muhammadi ideology, is a certified terrorist activity and a terrorism. We must fight against this Muhammadi ideology. Thank you very much. See you.